So if you picture that house over there, get that on your camera. So as that roof goes down in the back, you wanted to put an upstairs over there, you got to come in so that you got 6 foot standing up or so before you can put a wall in there. When you put that wall in there, you done lost 10 feet of that room. So as we do this right here, the roof, if you was going to come in from the top of the roof, you see the angle of the roof? And let's walk over here, maybe we can see that. So if you was going to do a 2-story house here, the top line will be right at the bottom where the bird's cages is, bottom of the roof. In order to be able to put a 2-story in this house, you got to come in about 6 feet in order for that to be able to be tall enough for you to put a room in there, because you couldn't stand up in it. So you lose that much square foot. So we had so much on the bottom that we were going to go down. We were able to do that by going downstairs because we already had to dig it out. We already had to put the footers in. We already had to do everything. And because we already had to do it, then it was just wasted money. Now we're doing it and we're making money with that space that we got right there. And it'll be all brick. So we'll brick it all the way down, all the way across the front, all the way around. It'll be all brick. It'll be an all brick home, and it'll be a very nice home. We'll come back and put some dirt around part of it to fill it in and make the slope like it needs to be. It'll be a really nice build.